I have the Samsung Galaxy A54 and I'll be showing you how to add the touch to the lock screen so that you can turn the flashlight on and off even without unlocking your phone. So what you need to do is go into settings. On the settings page, go to lock screen, tap on that, and then tap on the lock screen editor. Now here you should see the lock screen shortcuts. By default, mine are the phone icon and the camera. So you can select one of them. Let me, for instance, change this one, and I'll change that to flashlight. And now you can see the flashlight icon. To save, tap on done. That's going to save those changes. So now whenever you're on the lock screen, you can simply turn the flashlight on or off without unlocking your phone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.